Selwyn Mulbro was born in Port Elizabeth, South Africa. He is happily married to his wife Sharon, who is a constant source of love and support to him. Selwyn is a writer, freelance journalist and poet. He wrote a weekly column for the Afrikaans newspaper, Die Burger. Selwyn has published 2 poetry books for grade 10 and 12 learners. He performed and presented poetry workshops at the Grahamstown National Arts Festival. Selwyn presented workshops with the Belgian youth writers at several South African high schools. The Right Side is his 3rd book. Selwyn has performed at numerous literary and cultural events in South Africa. Visit his blog at www.mulbro.blogspot.com. Ladies and gentlemen, Selwyn Mulbro.